Hey, what's up YouTube? This is Gubro here with another video. This time we are unboxing and reviewing the Choetech wireless charging pad. This is coming from Amazon. It costs about 12 quid, not a really expensive one. It says this is the new version and the model is T511. Choetech, they are a Chinese company and they are making, well, in my opinion, relatively good quality on a relatively low price. Okay, what's on the box? It says it has a 30-day, any reason return. They are providing an 18-month warranty and a lifetime technical support. What we have to know as well is that this one is designed mainly for iPhone users, as the maximum output is 5 watts, so it doesn't do the 10 watt output. Despite the photo here, it will not fast charge a Samsung, but it will obviously charge it, and it will obviously charge the iPhone as well. But this is not the fastest wireless charger in the world. Let's see what's in the box. Right, we have a nice little card here. It says if you want to get newly released products for free, you have to like them on the official Twitter. You have a code for it, a 2D barcode for it, and they want reviews. Obviously everyone wants reviews. This is how the word works now. Okay, right, apart from that we have an instruction manual. It's not very difficult. The basics really. You get a cable for it, but you don't get the charging brick, so you will have to supply with your own charging brick for that. Yeah, apart from that, not much information really. Okay, the charging cable is a micro USB cable. As you can see, it's a micro USB. So anyway, if you don't have this cable at home, which I pretty much doubt, everybody in the world must have dozens of micro USB cables lying around their houses. The cable seems to be about 1 meter long, so roughly 3 feet. Let's see the charger itself. It is packed in a Choetech logoed little thingy. Right, okay, this is the charger itself. It has rubberized logo in the middle. You can see it is a little bit raised from the surface, and this will make sure that your phone will not come off. On the other side we see the model number. We see the input should be 5 watts 2 amps, but the output is only 5 watts. So this is not a fast charger, it's a slow charger. It has 4 rubberized little thing here. This is where the cable goes in, the micro USB cable, and we have an LED here. Size wise, it is about 3.5 inches each side, and it's about 1/4 of an inch thick. In other words, it's about 8 millimeters thick and about 10 centimeters each side. Okay, let's try it. So the micro USB is gonna go here, and let me just plug it in. Right, okay, so it doesn't do anything. When we put a phone on it, oh, it will not work if I don't turn on the socket. So as you see, it has a nice light LED on it, and it is indeed charging the phone. I am not sure if it stays on or not, so I am not sure if it will disturb your sleep or not. I will test it out definitely, but what we can check, it's gonna, yeah, it is working about almost an inch away from the charger. So regardless if you have a thick case on it, it will work. Obviously it won't work with every case, especially the ones containing any metal objects, and it does work any other direction, so you don't have to put it exactly the way it's supposed to be. But if you don't put it on it properly, yeah, you have to position it almost perfectly on the pad. Okay, so apart from that, it does work. It has this light on, which might disturb your sleep overnight, so you have to keep this in mind. And obviously, let's try if we just put it into a stand. This is the only way to charge it. No, it is not the only way. It's not working this way. Yeah. It does work indeed. Okay, so if you don't want it flat on the surface, you can use a stand and you can put it on. Right, this is it again. It costs about £12. I'm gonna say it's not the cheapest option. For about 15 you can get the fast charging ones, which will obviously work faster with a Samsung phone, and it will work faster on an iPhone as well, as after the latest software update, the iPhones are capable of 7.5 watt charge, and this one obviously is 5 watts only. Right, guys, this is it, and I'm hope you like the video. If you like the video, please leave a thumbs up. Thank you, and I'm gonna back with another video soon. Thank you, peace out.